Hello everyone and welcome to the video today. And in today's video is just going to be a really quick walkthrough of how you redeem your points within CrowdTap. For those of you who do not know, CrowdTap is a website where you can earn money, or you're earning points towards gift cards technically. But all you do is you answer simple questions and you get points, and then from there you can redeem them for anything from Amazon gift cards, Walmart gift cards, some PlayStation Store, things of that nature. And it's fairly easy to do. I've done several videos on this in the past. You can go check some of those out if you want. And what I love about the site is that it's so easy, so quick, and you can accumulate points very quickly. And the payout is very good. So let me just walk you through really quick and show you. This is it right here. Like I said, it's called CrowdTap, and I'll leave a link in the description so you can sign up for it. It's free to sign up. You fill out a few demographics about yourself, and you're ready to go. So basically what it is you'll have these questions here. You see these squares. This is where your questions are, and it shows you how many points you're going to get. 3 points, and this one's 20. So I'll just show you real quick how easy these questions are. So it says, which of the following types of yogurt have you purchased in the past 6 months? So you're just going to go through and pick which ones you've purchased, hit continue. Okay, and I got 3 points for that. It automatically moves to the next question, so you can either answer it or exit out and come back to it later if you like. These are constantly popping up, so what you want to do, of course, is refresh your screen. I like to leave this open in a tab while I'm working on my computer, and then I'll just come back to it and see how many questions I have periodically throughout the day. And that's an easy way to get your points up pretty quickly. Okay, so now what I'm going to talk about is how to redeem these points. So as you can see, I have accumulated 3,237 points. You just saw me get 3 of those points. And it didn't take me very long at all. So all we're going to do is hit redeem. And here's what you can redeem them for. This is the gift card section. And like I mentioned, you have Amazon gift cards. Here's Sephora, Target, Walmart, Ulta Beauty. They have a ton of different things. Here's the PlayStation Store. And here's the denominations. So for 1,000 points, which is very easy to get to, I usually get 1,000 points a day. And that's $5. And then if you move on here, let's see, 2,000 points would get you $10. And 3,000, so it's increments of 5 basically. 3,000 points would get you $15, which is what I have. I have 3,000, so I'm going to go with the 15 today. But before I do that, let me show you. You also have subscriptions. So here you can Apple Music, which is a little over 5,000 points, and then Hulu. These are for different amounts for the subscription, $25. So this is actually a pretty good one. If you're into Hulu and you want to subscribe to that, you can basically get it for free by using your CrowdTap points to pay for your subscription. And then there's also charities. You can donate to any of these charities. They're obviously a lot less. 200 points, you can donate $1 to these particular, looks like they only have 3 at the moment. But you can, donate to charities if you like. Today I'm going to show you the gift cards, and I'm going to redeem, like I said, for the $15. This is the highest one that I've gotten. It wouldn't take me very long to get to 20, but I'm going to go ahead and do the 15 today. So all you do is click on this, and it says redeem 3,000 points for $15. And hit redeem. And it's as easy as that. All I'm going to do here is check this box here, the terms of service, and place order. Okay, so now it's just going to go to my, I'll get an email with the email that I provided them, and that's where I will pick up my electronic gift card from Amazon, and I can just easily put that into my Amazon account. Okay, so that's how easy it is. So I love this website. It's so great. I know a lot of other people have commented before that they love this website too, and it's so easy to accumulate points, and I personally love it. I use it every day. So hopefully you've gotten a lot out of this video. I hope you see how easy you can redeem your points. It's not a hard website at all. I encourage everybody who's trying to make a little extra money to go ahead and use it. That's it for today's video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. That helps me out. And then also subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And you'll get more videos like this showing you how to make money online, as well as how to create your own business and full-time income online. I talk about both of those things, so hit the subscribe button if you're into that, and I will see you guys in the next video.